Shopify has a cool AI-based collection of tools called Shopify Magic. Now, if you have a Shopify subscription, I will help you with store building, marketing, customer support, and back office management. Hi guys, this is Sakhawat from Ecomclips, and I'm super excited to show you how you can use this tool that help you to save you time and bring perfection. Okay, Shopify Magic is a collection of AI features that are available for you to use across Shopify platform. Well, it is not actually an app, you don't need to install it separately. This thing comes with every Shopify plan and it appears anywhere you see a little sparkle. Let me show it to you. Right now, I am on my product page. Now, here you can see that sparkle on the corner of my description box. If I hover over it, it will say generate text. That indicates it can write product description for us. If you are interested in writing product description, I will go into depth about it. But this is how you will find it. Now that you know how to find this. If when you are in Shopify, you see this sparkle, that means you use it to your advantage. Now, let's go and see the cool and smart things it can do. And you should watch this video till the end, because I will save the coolest of them for the last. Shopify Magic can remove or replace image background as well. You don't need to Photoshop or professional graphics designer. Just look at my screen. One cool trick you can do is to isolate the subject. Let's say you have got a pair of shoes, but you only want to focus on one of them. Just click on prompt, select the subject and hit apply. Boom! It's automatically separate that single shoe for you. Now let's change the background. Just type here what background you want. I think a green background will be good. So let me type green grass field taillight, then click generate. Here we go. You can also pick prompt suggestion from here. Let's see how it will work in a living room environment. Cool. See how it also creates the shadow over there. Shopify Magic can write your product description. So let's do it together. Head over to the product page, click the sparkle icon and you will see an option to generate a product description. Add your desired features and keywords, then choose a tune. Let's go with playful. Click generate and see what comes up. It is not quite right. Tweak it and generate again until it's perfect. Got writer's block while writing a product description? No problem. Shopify Magic can jump in and finish what you started. Or if you have already got a description but it needs some polish, Shopify Magic can help you edit and refine it. Super handy, right? So I'm going to highlight the description. Then I click to the sparkle. Now I have got the three options: refresh, extend and simplify. Pretty cool, right? So this is going to come in handy for any store that has a ton of products. And also it is perfect for someone in writing second language or for someone who just want to speed up the writing process. You can also use it as your theme editor. So let's check that out next. From your Shopify admin, go to the online store and hit themes. Next to the theme you want to edit, click customize. Now click on the text you want to edit. Then this box will come and click on sparkle here. Put your prompt and generate. I have seen a website with long paragraph of text where there actually should be a headline, or some with confusing call to action. But you know what? Consumers expect the journey to be so seamless and smooth like butter. Letting AI do the heavy lifting can make your writing top of the world. AI, right? Shopify Magic not only can write copies for your website, it can also write emails that you're gonna send to your customer. It's too good to be true because you don't need to go to another platform to use this feature. You can do it right within Shopify. Let's do it together, guys. First, you need to have the Shopify email app. If you don't have it, install it, it's free. From your Shopify admin, click on apps, then head to all recommended apps. If you don't see what you need, just scroll down and hit Shopify App Store. There's it is. Click and install. Now head back to apps and you will find the email app. Open it up, then click on templates and create a new one. Pick whichever templates you like. When you are customizing the template, click on a text box and you will see the sparkle icon pop up. Now it's your turn. Write down what your email is about and Shopify Magic will handle the rest. Setting up the campaign for you. Easy, right? For Shopify store blog posts are really important. Blog posts help you to rank higher in the search and they are also important to build trust among your customers. Good news is Shopify Magic allows you to instantly write an edit blog post. Go to the online store, then select blog post. Now click on create blog post. Let's say my blog post is about the importance of good quality shows. So I'm inserting prompt here. Wow, now I have a blog post just like I wanted. Did you see, guys, how I just came up with a brand new blog article within seconds? If I tried to do it manually, it would take hours. Also, you wanna make your article SEO friendly, so add some keywords on the prompt that you want to see on it. With Shopify Magic, editing and enhancing your content is easier than ever. Whether you need a quick refresh or extended description or simplified version, Shopify Magic has got you covered. Just a few clicks and you are all set to make your store shine. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Ecomclips. Hit the bell icon so you never miss any update. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comment below. I would love to hear from you. See you in the next one. Till then, stay safe. Thank you.